Here's the solution for question 4k. So we want to solve the following equation in terms of x. Now this looks familiar yet different. So it looks familiar in that we've got a sets of brackets being multiplied together and that we've got this equation equal to 0. However, we've got 3 sets of brackets and some of those brackets have got extra letters in them as opposed to numbers. So that looks scarier for students, but in actual fact we've got the knowledge to be able to solve this. We know if I take any 3 numbers, 2 times 0 times 1, if I take any 3 numbers and multiply them together, that's always going to give me an answer of 0 as long as one of the numbers in there is equal to 0. So I've just extended what we're doing with 2 sets of brackets to 3 sets of brackets. So we want to use that same knowledge and understanding. So that means in order for this whole expression to be equal to 0, one of these brackets, or 2 or all 3, must be equal to 0. So either 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or the second brackets, bx plus c is equal to 0, or the third brackets, let me just get rid of that, dx minus f is equal to 0. So I need to solve these 3 equations now to get x equals stuff. Alright, so I'll start with the first one, 2x plus 1 equals 0. Leave the 2x on the left hand side, move the 1 across, becomes minus 1. Now I want to get rid of the 2 in front of the x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. X equals negative a half. That is my first solution. I want to do the same process now with the next 2. So I've got a bx plus c equals 0, but b and c are just numbers. All right, I'm just trying to solve it to find x, get x by itself. So the first thing I do is I leave the bx as there alone, take that c to the other side. If it's plus c on the left, moving across to the right becomes minus c. Just in the same way we had that 1 moving across. Now I want to get rid of the b because I'm trying to get x by itself. So that's going to cancel here, and that's going to leave me x equals minus c over b. So there is my second solution. Do the same thing with this last one. Leave the dx on the left, take the minus f to the other side, and it becomes positive f. I want to get x by itself. I'm trying to solve for x, so I want to get rid of the d. So divide both sides by d, and that gives me x equals f over d. And there are my 3 solutions to this equation.